This is a review of the X-Shot XL Hawkeye. It's similar to a Nerf gun, but I wanted to show some of the features. It's built pretty solid. My kids have had this for a while and it's still in pretty good shape. Now the way you enter these bullets here, which are very soft and seem fairly safe, the tip is also soft there. You can see how it bends. But the way it works is you basically put a little bit of pressure to open up like that. You stick it right in there. Goes right in, close the gun, then you cock it back. And it's ready to shoot. Here it goes. You can see it has a pretty good velocity to it. Now it comes with 5 shooting targets and 12 darts, but you can easily buy more of these darts. They come in quite a large selection of packages. It also comes with a detachable scope that goes up here. And overall, I would highly recommend this toy for your child if they so desire a gun of this sort.